Ashuddin doing the honors.
So here we have the intercom system.
The intercom system.
Move my hood up. I've got two hoods. That one and that one. That looks better, innit? We have the intercom system here. Now we can talk.
Yeah, pick whatever it is.
Now we can talk. Rider to rider. No distraction.
Except for the wind.
Except for the wind.
And people and cars.
And people. It will make riding much more safer. Comes in a nice box. So now we're going to open it. How do you open it? Okay. We don't know how to open this. Wait, ooh, like a magnetic connection here. Like iPhone.
It actually is, isn't it? Yeah.
Get ready for the sound effect.
Didn't. That doesn't look bad, does it?
Ooh, technicalities, how to fit it. Descriptions are all there, how to install.
In English.
In English, but that's it. France, in Spanish. I don't know about English. Oh yeah, it does. Yeah, English is the bottom. Okay, so English instructions at the bottom. For those who can't read English, go to Google Translate. There's the two devices, the two intercom headsets, the tow system. They've changed their packaging, they made it a lot more nicer now. So now we have to take this part off here. And there we have it, the two intercom systems.
Put the wiring inside.
And inside will be all the mic, headphones, speakers, etc, etc.
Okay.
And that's it. It's just a quick unboxing, guys. Like, share, subscribe on my channel, Josh786 Manchester. And yeah.
Okay, job done.
Job done.